Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're talking about the YouTube Premium for students. It's a student plan that is 1 month free trial. After that, they will charge you $15 a month, and only students are eligible. In this thing, what you have to do, and this membership is only applicable for 4 years. For example, if you apply today, and after 4 years this membership will be cancelled because you are no longer a student. You have to buy a regular membership, and on every year you have to re-verify that you are still a student of that university. So to get this, you have to click on try it free. We'll go through the options, what is needed, but before that we will see what is included in the YouTube Premium of this YouTube. So we first go for the ad-free. In YouTube Premium, this is the common thing. Even before that, in YouTube Music, it was also ad-free. But YouTube Premium for students, it's also ad-free, which means there's no advertisement going to occur. And if you buy a family or individual plan, in here you can see another option, family or individual plans. In an individual plan, you will be only person using the YouTube Premium, and in the family membership plan, you only 5 members of that family, only 5 members of that family will be allowed to use the YouTube paid membership. So it's ad-free, download and go, which means you can download YouTube content. There are a lot of YouTube videos which you cannot download, which other people cannot download. You have seen in your cell phone option, but with this option, with YouTube, having YouTube membership, a premium membership, you can either download and good to go. You can either play them in the background. You have seen that when you're playing YouTube, you're only stuck to the YouTube channel. You cannot switch over to another desktop or do something else on your cell phone. But in this YouTube Premium, you will be able to even close YouTube, to save some, charger, some battery, or if you're doing something else, play something in the YouTube and go do something else, and the music is still playing on. So that's the basic thing about a background play. And then we have got the YouTube Music Premium. Those people who don't know about YouTube Music Premium, it's another app that is not in YouTube. You have to download it separately. It's a YouTube Music Premium, which is solely for YouTube music. There is nothing else on it. You have to go to YouTube. You have to write in the App Store about YouTube Music, and in there you will be downloading it. But you have to pay, or you must have the YouTube Premium membership to access it. And these are the basic things about having YouTube paid, YouTube Premium membership. Now we'll go and follow the steps. What is required to start the this plan? So first, click on try it free. Click on it. I'll leave the link down below of this page so you can easily access it. Click on continue, and in here fill up the form. For example, if I'm living in the United Kingdom, I'll go for UK and go for Brunel University, London, and write my legal name. It's John Connor, for example. It's just a demo account, and I'll go on clicking it, and here I fill up the email. All right, this is just fake email. For verification, you have to go through two choices. There's verify using school credentials, or you can use verify using documents review. So I have document easily accessible to me, so I'll go for verify using document review. Click on it and go and fill up the documents. In here you can just put up your documents, your required student ID card, and whatever you have, all the required documents that relate to you, that you are a student of this year or whatever year. Mainly you would be uploading your student ID card, and with the other information, if you think that would be valuable for them to verify that you are a legal student of that university, in my case Brunel University. And that way you're gonna submit them, and it takes few days for them to review your data and see if it works. Then boom, you will be in the partnership program and the YouTube Premier program, and you will be benefiting from all the things that YouTube has to offer. And if you think this video helps you to get your YouTube Premium plans, please make sure to leave us a comment and subscribe to this channel and keep supporting. Thank you, and keep visiting Tig's Schooling.